Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Thinking about introducing paneer to your baby? Here's what you need to know. As your baby grows, you might be eager to introduce new and tasty foods to his diet. One such food is paneer, a delicious and nutritious dairy product. When to add paneer to your baby's diet? Before introducing paneer, wait until your baby is 8 to 9 months old. Start with a small amount and gradually increase the quantity. How much paneer can be given to a baby? Start with a couple of small cubes once your baby turns 8 to 9 months of age. Gradually increase as per their liking. Benefits of including paneer. 1. Paneer is a rich calcium source, essential for strong and healthy bones. 2. It contains vitamins and minerals that boost the immune system. 3. It is rich in protein, which is crucial for growth and development. 4. It contains probiotics that promote healthy gut flora. 5. It is rich in vitamin B, fatty acids, and antioxidants. How can we make paneer at home? Ingredients: 1 liter of full cream milk, half cup of curd or 2 small spoons of lemon juice. Method: boil milk, add curd or lemon juice, strain it in a cheesecloth. Rinse under cold water and hang in a muslin cloth to set. Quick and easy paneer recipes for babies. These simple paneer recipes are nutritious and delicious, making mealtime enjoyable for your baby. 1. Spinach and paneer rice. Ingredients: chopped spinach, half cup. Cooked rice, half cup. Chopped paneer, 10 grams. Ghee, half teaspoon. Method: heat ghee in a pan. Add cooked rice, stir, and cook for a minute. Add paneer pieces, spinach leaves, and water. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes and serve. 2. Paneer rice puree. Ingredients: steamed fresh peas, 2 to 3 teaspoons. Small pieces of paneer, 10 to 20 grams. Cooked rice, half cup. Black pepper, a pinch. Onion powder, a pinch. Blend peas, onion powder, cooked rice, and pepper. Add paneer and mix. 3. Apple paneer. Ingredients: diced apple, half. Ground flax, 1/4 of a teaspoon. Paneer, 10 to 20 grams. Cinnamon powder. Method: heat apple pieces with water and let them cool. Crumble paneer in a bowl, add apple pieces, and sprinkle cinnamon powder. Finish with ground flax and serve. How to prepare paneer for baby-led weaning. 1. For 6 to 9 months. Steam or boil until soft and mashable. 2. For 9 to 12 months. Offer in small cubes or incorporate into soft foods. 3. For 12 to 24 months. Serve in small cubes or slices alongside other foods. Can paneer cause allergies in babies? Although rare, some babies may be allergic to dairy products like paneer. Signs of a dairy allergy include rash, vomiting, diarrhea, or difficulty breathing. While paneer can be a nutritious addition to your baby's diet, it's important to introduce it gradually. Consult your pediatrician before introducing new food to your baby's diet.